Welcome back, and in this video, I'll be taking you through the unboxing of the Shokz OpenDots 2. Now, these are Shokz, or one of Shokz open ear buds that you can be able to purchase, and they are supposed to have at least 40 hours of battery life. So, before we get to that point, let's go ahead and see what's exactly in the box. So these are the black variants. So let's go ahead and unbox them. And here, the first thing that you see is the buds themselves wrapped in their normal plastic casing. So you can go ahead and just remove this. Like so, and there you have it. This is how the case looks like once out of the box. And then underneath the case, you have just your usual paperwork, and then a compartment at the top that, if you go ahead and remove it, does store the charging cable. So no, it does not come with a charging brick, but it does come with a cable, which means that you can easily be able to charge your buds with that specific cable. And again, you have here your usual paperwork. So let's go ahead and see how they look like out of the case. So here is the case. It is a slight plastic feel. You can see the button at the back, case at the front, and then let's just go ahead and open. And this is how the Shokz OpenDots Air look like once out of the box. So stick around for more tutorial videos that I will be creating about this specific bud set. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.